Hello everyone, welcome to Apna Unav channel and Nihilate Scientist Way interview preparation video. So now in this video we will discuss that how you can prepare for Scientist B post interview. Along with that also I will share our IGP details. Already IGP is started, that is our interview guidance program for Nihilate Scientist B recruitment. Already started on our application. If you want to join, you can join that. Okay, that details I will share soon in this video. So the important discussion will be that what you should prepare for this recruitment of Nihilate. As you know that after 14 months we are giving interview for Scientist B post. For STA post they didn't declare the result yet, but now for Scientist B interviews are starting from 11 to 13. Okay, through short video earlier I already notify you. So first, how many seats I am taking for IGP or for non-MSP student? So total 15 candidate I am taking for our IGP, as I have limited time. So that's why seats are limited. Okay, so those who will join as soon as possible, definitely they will get access to the course and then you can prepare with that. Okay, so for ECS computer science, both of the student I will take total 15 seats. Now obviously Nihilate Scientist B IGP is the part of your master success pack MSP. Okay, now if you are new to the channel, if you don't have information about MSP and IGP, then I will show you two videos that you can watch. Now in short, if I tell you, then MSP is the master success pack, that is with Nihilate Scientist भी you can prepare for multiple recruitments. तो आप जब multiple recruitments का अगर फॉर्म भरा होगा तो उस Nihilate Scientist भी इंटरव्यू के साथ आप उसका प्रिपरेशन कर सकते हो. नहीं तो सिर्फ if your focus is only Nihilate Scientist भी, then you can join IGP. Okay, so IGP details you can watch this video, that is interview guidance program orientation, and for MSP details you can watch this video, that is MSP master spec orientation video. Both the links you will get in the comment box of this video, so that you can watch it. Okay, if you have any query, any doubt, then you can ask me on currently which recruitments are part of master spec, so that you can prepare them with Nihilate Scientist by interview. So here you can see as on 8th September 2024, RRB technician, okay, CBT, currently we are preparation is going on. RRB junior engineer, ECIL, GET, MA Transco, AE, HL, MTAT. This is upcoming recruitment that we are already targeting in advance. Okay, soon strategy will be there. Then IATC, this will be also upcoming recruitment. Okay, then in interview guidance program, if Nihilate NIC Scientist B, SO already over, then IBSC have take Nihilate Scientist B, RCFL MT, NFL MT and HPCL engineer. Okay, so this is for electronics communication and instrumentation. For computer science you can see the list, so that along with Nihilate Scientist B you can prepare for any 1, 2, 3 whatever, okay, recruitments with our MSP. And for this is for electrical and triple E. How to join MSP or IGP? So in the comment box you will get the link, just click on that. So I am clicking on IGP link, then IGP directly will open, and here from here you can directly join the course. After joining, immediately watch this video, go to content and go to mentor talk folder and watch IGP start video. Okay, so from this video you will get guidelines that how we are conducting our program, what are the things are there, and you can start your preparation according to this video. Okay, I hope it is clear. Same you can join MSP and same thing will be there. Now those who will miss IGP or MSP because of limited number of seats, then this quick guide part is for you guys, so that you can also prepare well for the interviews, because you know Nihilate Scientist B is very prestigious job, and this opportunity you are getting for this year is the final opportunity to become Scientist B, because currently there is no other recruitment for Scientist B. Okay, so this is the final recruitment of Scientist B for the year 2024. Next will be definitely there in 2025, right? Okay, so first important thing is that what is the structure of your interview, how they will conduct the interview. So let me quickly discuss that thing. So first important thing, it is the panel interview. Okay, what is the meaning of panel? That there will be 3 to 5 members in your room. Okay, so they will conduct your interview combinedly, and language is Hindi and English, so there is no language barrier problem you should have, right? Because जब भी हिंदी है comfortable, हिंदी use करो, English है you can use English, combine also you can use, okay, bilingual also you can give interview, anything is fine with you, right? Next, interview duration. So you can expect your interview duration around 20 to 25 minutes, right? And the last part, which is most important, it is your HR plus technical interviews. It is not only technical interview, it is HR plus technical. Okay, so you can expect HR questions also and technical question also for this, right? Okay, so for HR general question, they may ask you like what is your strength and weakness. Okay, if you are working somewhere, then about your job profile they may ask you, and other questions are variety of questions are there. They may ask you, okay, like why you want to join Nihilate, right? This question also they may ask you. So that questions you prepare, and along with that they will also ask you about Nihilate, what Nihilate do, what are different services which Nihilate provides. Okay, so Nihilate services. So this part definitely you will get from website, so just go through the website thoroughly. Okay, also you can follow Twitter or X post फ्रॉम नाइलेट सो दैट लेटेस्ट जो डेवलपमेंट हो रहे हैं वो आपको समझेंगे, ठीक है. सो यू आर अवेयर अबाउट लेटेस्ट डेवलपमेंट डन बाय नाइलेट, राइट. सो दिस इज द इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट इज योर टेक्निकल. तो टेक्निकल में ऑब्वियसली योर सिलेबस इज मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट. सो सिलेबस तो आपको करना ही है, जो भी आपने नाइलेट के लिए पढ़ा है, नाइलेट साइंटिस्ट भी सिलेबस जो पीडीएफ उन्हें दिया था उसमें से, ठीक है. नेक्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज दैट योर प्रोजेक्ट. तो जो भी आपने प्रोजेक्ट किया है इन योर बी बीटेक और एमएम टेक, सो दैट इन्फॉर्मेशन ऑल्सो यू शुड हैव विथ योर सेल्फ. ओके, तो प्रोजेक्ट एचआर में भी आएगा, टेक्निकल में भी आएगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ यू यूज माइक्रोकंट्रोलर इन योर प्रोजेक्ट, दे मे आस्क यू क्वेश्चन बेस्ड ऑन माइक्रोकंट्रोलर. If you use suppose C Java in your project, they may ask you question from Java. Or if you use database in your project, okay, computer science वाले, तो they may ask you database question also, ठीक है. So like that they will connect technical with your project, correct. Then the next part is most important for your preparation, that is your emerging technologies, ठीक है. So this is the most interesting and important part for them, because you should aware of latest technologies whatever नाइलेट is currently working or currently doing research. तो उसके बारे में थोड़ा आपको आइडिया आना चाहिए, like what is artificial intelligence, what is machine learning, what is cloud computing, right. Then you can ask about what is cyber security, okay. Then different programming language. अभी जो computer science वाले हैं, those who are from computer science, you can prepare any one programming language for a backup, right. So C++, Java is there, Python is there. So if you are aware of any one of this, then fine, just revise करो अच्छे से, ठीक है. कोडिंग वो पूछेंगे नहीं उधर, तो जस्ट थ्योरी आपको पता होना चाहिए, राइट. देन जो पब्लिक इसी वाले हैं, तो आपको नेटवर्किंग पार्ट जो है बहुत अच्छे तरीके से आना चाहिए, ओके. अलॉन्ग विथ नेटवर्किंग सम पार्ट ऑफ PCB डिजाइनिंग आल्सो यू शुड नो, अलॉन्ग विथ VLSI टेक्नोलॉजीज, ठीक है. तो VLSI डिजाइनिंग वगैरह उसके बारे में भी आपको आइडिया होना चाहिए. एंड कम्युनिकेशन, ठीक है, कम्युनिकेशन एंड your electromagnetic theory, so that information you should have with you, right. तो टेक्निकल में इतना आपने किया तो भी इनफ है, तो इसको ही आपको प्रॉपरली करना है. दिस इज ऑल अबाउट क्विक गाइड फॉर योर नाइलेट साइंटिस्ट बी रिक्रूटमेंट. नाउ दोज हु आर गिविंग लास्ट अटेम्प्ट ऑफ देयर लाइफ, स्ट्रिक्टली आई विल रिकमेंड यू कैन ज्वाइन IGP, सो दैट आपके जो चांसेस है सिलेक्शन के वो बढ़ जाएंगे. एंड प्रिपरेशन जो है एग्जैक्ट आप साइंटिस्ट भी लेवल का कर पाओगे, राइट. And those who missed IGP, so make sure you will subscribe to the channel so that next time आपसे कुछ मिस ना हो IGP अपना, right. Because जब भी IGP अपना लॉन्च होगा, सबसे पहले जो न्यूज़ है वो सब्सक्राइबर्स के पास पहुंचेगा. और मेक श्योर यू ज्वाइन अवर टेलीग्राम एंड व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप, विच इज मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट टू गेट लेटेस्ट अपडेट क्विकली एज कम्पेयर टू अदर कैंडिडेट्स, राइट. इफ यू वांट टू आस्क एनी अदर थिंग अदर देन दिस, डेफिनेटली यू कैन आस्क मी इन द कमेंट बॉक्स. आई विल try to help you as soon as possible. All the best for नाइलेट साइंटिस्ट बी रिक्रूटमेंट. Again I will repeat that there is a minimum cutoff, okay. Basic cutoff is also there, so it is not like out of 15% you are getting 4% and that is fine, okay. No, suppose basic cutoff is 6%, then directly you are out of this recruitment, ठीक है. I guess total 14 vacancies was there, एक बाद में बढ़ाया था. So for 14 vacancies they called total 53 candidates, so you can see competition is good, okay. 1:4 का रेशो आप पकड़ सकते हो, एंड या फेयर competition is there. So just all the best for this, okay. You are best.